He virtually wrote almost all the time. But perhaps the best was in the morning. I remember that before he would sit down, he would always put on a pressed white shirt, a tie, a vest. He had respect for the characters that he was writing about, for the experiences. And he would write with a Parker pen, usually in turquoise. And I remember he would sometimes want to add a paragraph. So, of course, there were no word processors or computers in the 50s and the 60s. So he would take a pair of scissors and just glue in an extra piece of paper or add to the side of it. Like he has manuscripts that you have little pieces of papers to fold in. I can't think of a specific time of day because we always saw our father writing, and he had a desk, but he never used it. He always liked to sit in the living room at the large dining room table where it was more spacious, and he had his chair there and would fill half a table with his papers. And we would let him sit quietly. And when my sister and I were in the other room and we would be playing and we'd make a little too much noise, my mother would run and, Sha, Papa schreibt. So we would continue to play quietly. So the whole house was basically based upon my father, and we tried to do everything so that he'd be able to continue writing, which was his life's work.